Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to 3D print a surface from Civil 3D. So here you can see I have a surface from Civil 3D and this is what it looks like in the object viewer. So you can see that it's just a simple topography of natural ground. And so the first thing that we need to do is export our surface into a 3D solid. So I'm just going to click on my surface and then type in export. And I'm going to select this option here, export surface to solid. And you can see that my surface has been selected and it's called surf. And what I'm going to do is enter a value of 6. And you'll understand why we're going to add this value very soon. And I can leave the rest of these settings as they are, and I'm going to click create solid. And so now you can see the solid has been created, and let's see what the solid looks like in the object viewer. So here you can see that this is what the surface looks like, and I've added a depth of 6. And so now what we're going to do is export our solid into an STL file. So I'm going to come to the top left corner, I'm going to click on export, come down here and click on other formats. And so now I'm going to rename the file to something like 3D print, and you can see I've selected the STL file from the dropdown. And I'm going to click save. So now I'm going to click on the solid and press OK. Alright, so now we're going to go to the location of the file. Alright, so here you can see our 3D print file has been saved, and you can see that the icon is the Bambu Studio icon because I'm using Bambu Lab Mini A1 3D printer. So I'm going to open up this file in Bambu Studio. Alright, so here you can see the surface is showing up in Bambu Studio, and this is what it looks like. But you can see that there is a small gap underneath our surface. So what we're going to do is click on the surface, and I'm going to come here and use the cut tool. And if I rotate this view a little bit, I'm just going to move the cut down a little bit so that my surface is cut nicely. Okay, so I think this should be good, and I'm going to perform the cut. Okay, so you can see our object has been split into 2 pieces, and I can delete this one on the right and move my surface into the middle of the printing plate. And you can see now that there is no gap between my surface and the printing plate. And so now our surface is pretty much ready to print, and I'm going to slice the plate and I can print my surface now, and you can see that it's going to take about 26 minutes in total to print my surface. So yeah, I'm going to start printing this now and we'll see how it goes. Alright, our surface has been printed and it looks pretty good. So hopefully this video was useful to you, and thank you for watching.